What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play 99 Nights in the Forest on Roblox on your computers. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my PC here, and you want to open a browser, log into your Roblox account, and all you have to do is either type in the 99 Nights and you will start to see 99 Nights in the Forest. And the experience, you click in that and you will be able to open the game. Right, click this, it's going to try to give you a pop-up asking you to open up your game client. So whenever you open games, you will be able to open up that client automatically. Now, as this is the first time I open up this 99, before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. It's in the forest, you will see that it's going to quickly pop up right here, then it's going to say I can quickly play, and I just need to go ahead and click play. Look how many people is there guys. It's literally amazing, right? So this is how you can easily play 99 Nights in the Forest and Roblox. Now once you're done guys, let me go ahead and exit this right here, and I'm going to quickly show you where you can actually find it afterwards. If you're new to Roblox, then the next time you want to go ahead and play, you'll be on your home page and you'll find it under continue, and here it is, it's showing up under continue, 99 Nights in the Forest in Roblox. And that's it, very easy and very simple guys. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.